We like to pretend like I don't want to go to that workshop because that's where the pain is. No, no, no. The pain is in you all the time. The workshop is the place to release the pain. Therapy is so important. Seeing a counselor is so important. A coach is so important. And we've learned 1 hour a week sometimes isn't enough. We have found that concentrated time like a workshop really shifts your mind in a way an hour's not going to be able to. So this really brings people to a new light. It sort of is it's more than a tune-up, it's an overhaul. One of the things about the workshops I do around grief and losses, there's a lot of people who are very academic in nature. While I know the academic side and I've studied with incredible people, I'm also someone who had a parent die when I was young. And I also, later in life, I had a son die. So I understand as a bereaved parent. And sometimes when people hear, oh, you're a bereaved parent, they think, uh-oh, he's not going to understand. I'm just grieving over this. And I tell people, there is no just before your grief. In this workshop, we all come together. And that first night, I so acknowledge people for having the courage to come. And we walk in very tentatively, and you feel a lot of pain. And everyone suddenly shifts to realizing, I'm not alone in this pain. We weren't meant to be islands of grief. You know, grief must be witnessed. And it's amazing to see Friday night to Sunday morning, the shift that people go through. They've released some of the pain, some of the anger, some of the what ifs, if onlys, and begin to remember the love. And that's what we're hoping to help them do. Remember the love.